A tree whose leaves and bark are used to clean wounds and skin ulcers. What a fantastic tree it is. Introducing Kupang, Parkea timoriana of the family Fabaceae. The genus was named after the English botanist William Park. The species name Timoriana indicates its association with Timor, an island in Southeast Asia. This reflects the plant's native habitat including Southeast Asia and the Pacific regions. Kupang is a large, fast-growing deciduous tree from the legume family. Kupang wood is of good quality and is used for joinery, furniture making, and interior finishes. The seeds are considered beneficial in treating hepatologia, edema, nephritis, diabetes, and colic, probably because of their diuretic and relaxing effect. It is also used an anthelmintic. The leaves and bark are applied topically to clean wounds and skin ulcers and are used as a cure for scabies. The bark is used externally as a treatment against boils and abscesses. The green legumes are consumed as a vegetable and seeds are eaten raw, boiled, or roasted with garlic. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.